welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're tackling something that's caught a lot of eyes online, the Wuffy Robot Dog. It's pitched as this, AI-powered puppy companion. Learns, plays, acts lifelike.
Right. Sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? And that's kind of our mission today. Dig into the sources and figure out if this Wuffy dog is a real product innovation or, well, just another internet gimmick. We're looking for those telltale signs, the red flags you need to know about.
And honestly, the moment you hit their website, the alarm bells start ringing pretty quickly. Let's start with the visuals. The pictures themselves felt off right away to the folks looking into this.
Exactly. The sources describe the product photos as, well, too perfect. The lighting's flawless. The fur texture is maybe a bit too uniform. The backgrounds are pristine. It just looks artificial, almost like concept art, not actual photos.
Yeah, it makes you wonder, right? Does the thing you actually get in the mail look anything like that?
That's the first big question. And then you combine that sort of visual strangeness with some really aggressive marketing tactics.
Oh, yeah. A huge 70% discount right off the bat. Plus all those urgency phrases like special limited time offer. And the really big one, claiming it's America's #1 rated robot puppy.
Which is, a massive claim with seemingly nothing to back it up. It all feels designed to rush you into buying before you think too much or do any digging.
It's pure pressure selling.
But it gets deeper than just flashy visuals and discounts. They apparently tried to manufacture trust in a pretty sneaky way.
Right. This was maybe the most revealing thing the sources uncovered. The website featured an endorsement from an expert, someone called Ashley Aguilar, supposedly to give it tech credibility.
And this is a really big one, a huge red flag. When investigators looked into Ashley Aguilar, they found her image was just lifted from the internet. It's a stock photo, or at least reused from somewhere else completely unrelated.
So not a real expert connected to this product at all.
It certainly seems that way. Likely a made-up name paired with a random photo purely to look legitimate. They weren't just using vague testimonials. They specifically faked a professional endorsement. That's a significant step, trying to borrow authority.
Wow. And that whole idea of trying to seem unique and specialized falls apart even more when you look at the product itself, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Investigators found what looks like the exact same robot dog, or something incredibly similar, sold on different websites under completely different brand names.
So Wuffy isn't some unique invention from this company.
Probably not. It points towards it being a generic product, maybe something you can buy wholesale from, say, Alibaba or similar platforms, and they've just put the Wuffy name on it. It's likely rebranding, maybe even drop shipping.
Okay, so we've got questionable images, urgent marketing, a potentially fake expert. What about actual users? Real feedback.
Well, that's why the whole thing really becomes suspect. Despite claiming to be America's #1, the sources couldn't find a single verifiable customer review. Not on Trustpilot, not on other major review sites, nothing.
Not just few reviews, but basically zero verified ones.
Precisely. I mean, look, a new product might start slow with reviews. That's normal. But when you see this level of aggressive marketing, the fake expert, the AI-like images, and then absolutely no footprint of real verified buyers, it strongly suggests they might not have many or any genuine customers providing public feedback yet.
So pulling it all together, we have what look like AI-generated pictures, a fabricated expert endorsement, high-pressure sales tactics claiming huge discounts and popularity, and zero proof of actual customer satisfaction for what's likely just a generic rebranded gadget.
Yeah, the pattern here is pretty clear, isn't it? It feels like a coordinated effort designed to get you to buy based on deception, not on the product's actual merits. Given all these points, extreme caution is definitely needed. It goes beyond just maybe getting a bad product. It points to a potentially deceptive business model.
So what's the bottom line here for you listening? It's about recognizing these tactics. Modern scams, they aren't always obvious typos or broken websites anymore. They can be slick, using layers of fake images, fake experts, maybe even fake initial reviews if they can manage it. They're selling the illusion of a product.
And it makes you think, doesn't it? If the takeaway is always better safe than sorry, especially online, and knowing how easy it is to fake things digitally now, what could an online seller actually show you? What single piece of proof, something concrete beyond just a picture or a testimonial on their own site, would make you instantly trust them? Even with all these other red flags waving, what would that look like for you?